attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. This one of the great amphitheatres of the game. You are welcome to it, and indeed to one of the grandest fixtures. If you're just joining us, we are already underway. Abraham. Well positioned to make that interception. Tried to play it through.
Oh, that just required a bit more oomph to reach its target.
And here's Cristiano. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Managed to get it away. Hoists it forward. Plays it out to the wing. Pellegrini goes looking. Up he gets! Goal! Roma! Great header, made it look easy.
Yeah, I just thought he wanted that more than anyone else on the pitch, and it was fully deserved. He gave it everything he had.
Roma take the lead, 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
And it's played forward. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. And it's Neymar. Oh, chance! Offside that time. Salah. Going for goal! Right from the top draw, they have come roaring back.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, they just couldn't have responded any better, Peter. Yeah, there's the old cliche about how teams can lose focus after scoring, but you still have to take your chances. Brilliant.
Keeper's got good distance on that. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. He has a goal! Goal! Manchester United! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! Just so calm under pressure.
I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's Salah. That's it, and now what? Goes for goal! It's in! Hot knife through butter! They have done it again! It is a good finish. The odds were against him, little matter.
Now, this fella's as slippery as a needle the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of, now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
It's the whistle for half-time.
Well, it's hard to say whether a two-goal advantage under these circumstances is decisive or not, but so far, I haven't really seen enough to indicate that the opposition can come out in the second half and improve to that degree.
Well, that has been a goal-blessed half. It is 3-1. The action has already resumed here. Coaxed through there. Swung over. Timely intervention. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's through. He could be in here. That's a pop! Good stop. That wasn't easy.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with. Cristiano Ronaldo is an obvious threat from set pieces. He needs special attention.
Gets up to head it! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, as Test goalkeeper, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
And he's away. Big chance! A collective sigh of relief from the defence.
Really got in the face of his opponent to set it up. It's great grafting.
It'll be a throw-in. Oh, really good feet from him. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Foot in. That's clear cut. It's a free kick. Karsdorp plays it forward. And that's a throw. Salah. It's come through. And the finish! Forward it goes. It's the through ball. Rashford. There's a long ball. He's had a shot! Oh, that was no routine save.
Cristiano Ronaldo really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
That has sent him sprawling. That would have won it.
Cristiano Ronaldo should really have closed the game out then, and this could come back to haunt him.
Now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change.
I think you have to admire his willingness to keep plugging away, but the manager has done him a big favour, I think, by taking him off. You know, he was looking very, very leggy.
Going to throw in. Van Dijk. And it's Neymar. And the shot! Oh, he's managed to miss it. Spinazzola. Just 5 minutes left. Hoists it high, gets on the end of it, goes for goal! They've done it! With so little time left, grandstand finish!
The understanding between those two plays a big part in that, and releasing the run on side proved the key ingredient.
Roma making consecutive changes here.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Roma give themselves a chance of a fairy tale finish.